Lockers are available with easy-to-use resettable combination locks for keyless applications. Resettable combination locks can be used with fixed combinations for single users or resettable combinations for multiple users. The lock has a simple 4-dial combination mechanism. The assigned combination should be scrambled after closing the door. The compartment is now secured. A master key can be used to access the compartment in the event the combination is not available. To recover the previous combination to reset the lock, push the decode lever to the left on the back and hold it in place. Rotate each of the dials on the front until the dial clicks. Release the decode lever. The previous combination has now been recovered and the lock can now be reset with a new combination.